Let's discuss replacing the PCV valve on a 01 Honda Odyssey with a 3.5 liter engine. Now I've gone ahead and removed the rear coil cover, little plastic housing here. That's where the PCV valve is located. So I'm going to use the needle nose pliers to release the hose clamp, and I will twist the hose gently back and forth here in order to break it loose. Then we will pull the PCV valve up out of the grommet. Once it's free, we'll get it out the rest of the way. We've got our new PCV valve, which is the same fit, form, and function, and reinstall it in the hose, put it back in the grommet inside the valve cover, use our pliers to reinstall the hose, and we're all set to go. Now don't forget about this when doing your maintenance tune-up stuff. This is quite often overlooked. Still a very important piece to be replaced.